formula method for its general form. So we have a general form of quadratic equation which is a square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Remember, you want all your terms on left hand side while solving this example, alright, while solving using formula method. You want all your terms on the left hand side equals to 0. Now, what was the formula that we saw in the previous section? X is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Is this what we have? Now, what do we use in this formula? We use the values of a, b and c. कहाँ से मिलते हैं a, b and c के values? So this a is used over here. b, which is the coefficient of x, is used in two places, and then we have a c. Alright? Now we are going to start solving a sum based on this method. Shall we? The sum is 3q square is equals to 2q plus 8. The terms are scattered on both the sides. How do we need our terms? We need them on one side of the equation. So first we are going to solve it. Before we need to solve it using formula method, we have to recall the formula and get the terms on one side. So variable is equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We have to use this formula. उसमें क्या क्या चाहिए? Values of a, b and c. Values of a, b and c. How do we get the values of a, b and c? By writing this equation in its standard form, right? By writing this equation in its standard form. Shift karo terms. Shift all the terms on one side. Alright? We have 3q square minus 2q minus 8 equals to 0. हो गया? Compare it with its standard form. ये standard form है a square plus bx plus c. Now tell me, what is the value of a? 3. What is the value of b? 2 या minus 2? Minus 2. Do not forget the signs. What about c? Minus 8, right? So a, b, c के values मिल गए. Now our standard equation is like this and our given equation is like this. So write down the values of a, 3. Write down the values of b, minus 2, and then write the value of c, minus 8. हो गया? Excellent. Now find out b square minus 4ac. ये जो part है ना, b square minus 4ac, पहले इसको निकालो, because ये थोड़ा सा complicate होगा ना to solve inside, तो उसको बाहर निकालो. b square is minus 2 square minus 4 into a into c. Easy? Now minus 2 का square क्या होगा? It is plus 4 and then minus minus plus 4 3s are 8, 4 3s are 12 into 8 is 96. 96 plus 4 is 100. So b square minus 4ac का value मिल गया. Now let us finally get the value of our variable, which is minus b plus or minus root of this one upon 2a. Alright? So you have minus b. Minus b matlab minus of minus 2. So you write minus and put b in the bracket, plus or minus root of 100, because iska value we calculated. So root of 100 upon 2 into a. So 2 into 3. Alright? Simplify. Minus minus plus. Plus or minus root 100. 100 is a perfect square? Absolutely. 100 is the square of 10. So ये root से बाहर निकल के बनेगा 10. And in the denominator, 2 3s are 6. So 2 plus or minus 10 upon 6. Now, you can state that q is equals to either 2 plus 10 upon 6 or 2 minus 10 upon 6. इसका value निकालो. 2 plus 10 is 12 upon 6, और इसका value निकालो. 2 minus 10 is minus 8 upon 6. This is 2 and that is minus 4 upon 3. That is minus 4 upon 3. Like always, you write a concluding statement, which is the roots of the given quadratic equation are 2 and minus 4 upon 3. Is this easy? Is this understood?